Morning students, welcome to the Science 1 class. In this video, we will learn about molecules, classification of molecules and atomicity. What is a molecule? When two or more atoms combine together chemically, we call it as a molecule. Few examples are when hydrogen atoms combine together chemically, we call it as a molecule of hydrogen. In the same way, when three oxygen atoms combine together chemically, we call it as a molecule of oxygen, that is ozone, O3. Here, a question may arise. Why do atoms combine together? Can't they exist independently? And the answer is atoms combine together to attain stability. That is, attaining stable state. What is stable state? We have learnt in detail about this concept in class 9. Now, let's have a quick recall of it. If the atoms have only one shell, then the stable state is achieved when two electrons are present in it. If the atoms have two or more than two shells, then the stable state is achieved when the outermost shell contains 8 electrons. It's called an octet state. But the stable state is seen only in case of few elements. We have learnt that elements like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon, that is, elements in group 18 of the periodic table, noble gases, are most stable because they have 8 electrons in their outermost shell. But what about the case of atoms which do not have this octet state? Yes, they will involve in bond formation. It means they either give or take or share electrons to attain the stable state. I hope you got the answer for the question, why do atoms combine together? Now, consider a single hydrogen atom. It is unstable. To attain stability, it will react with other atoms. For example, it may react with another hydrogen atom to form a hydrogen molecule. Or it may react with chlorine atom to form HCl, that is, molecule of hydrochloric acid. So, atoms react with one another to attain stability. Now, let's learn about the classification of molecules. Homoatomic molecules and heteroatomic molecules. What's the meaning of homo? Yes, homo means same and the word hetero means different. Molecules composed of same atoms are called homoatomic molecules, while heteroatomic molecules are composed of different or unlike atoms. Hydrogen molecule is an example for homoatomic molecule because it is made of same type of atoms. On the other side, water is an example for heteroatomic molecule because it is made up of two types of atoms, that is hydrogen and oxygen. Next, we will learn about types of molecules. Monoatomic molecules, diatomic molecules, triatomic molecules and polyatomic molecules. First, let's learn about monoatomic molecules. Mono means one. Molecules that are made up of only one type of atoms are called monoatomic molecules. Helium, neon, argon, etc. are examples of homoatomic molecules. Next, diatomic molecules. Di means two. Molecules that are made up of two atoms are called diatomic molecules. Examples for diatomic molecules are hydrogen molecule H2, oxygen molecule O2, chlorine molecule Cl2, hydrochloric acid HCl, etc. Triatomic molecules. Tri means three. Molecules that are made up of three atoms are called triatomic molecules. Examples for triatomic molecules are water molecule H2O, carbon dioxide CO2, ozone molecule O3, etc. Polyatomic molecules. Poly means many. Molecules that are made up of many atoms are called polyatomic molecules. Examples for polyatomic molecules are sulfuric acid H2SO4, sugar molecule C12H22O11. Next, we will learn about atomicity. Atomicity refers to the total number of elements that make up one molecule. Consider hydrogen molecule H2. In H2, H is the chemical symbol of hydrogen and the number 2 indicates how many hydrogen atoms are present in the molecule. Since hydrogen molecule contains 2 atoms of hydrogen, its atomicity is 2. The second example is oxygen molecule. What's the atomicity of oxygen molecule? O2? Yes, it's 2 because it contains 2 oxygen atoms. The third example is ozone molecule. What's the atomicity of ozone molecule? O3? It's 3 because it contains 3 oxygen atoms. The fourth example is carbon dioxide molecule. What's the atomicity of carbon dioxide molecule CO2? It's 3 because it contains 3 atoms, 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms. That's all for today's class. Students, we have learnt about molecules, classification of molecules and atomicity. Thank you students. Have a good day.